Today I'll be showing you how to reset the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. So you would do this if you're having issues either with pairing or if you want to clear the Bluetooth device list on the buds themselves if they're trying to pair to other devices. So what you would want to do is make sure your case has charge, but you have this pairing button on the back. What you would do is open the case, press the pairing button for roughly 20 seconds. You'll get the indicator lights here that would blink 2 times white, and then it would glow blue. So let's get started on that. So what you'll do is open that up, and again 20 seconds on the back, or until you see the 2 white blinking lights. And there we go. So we have the 2 white blinking lights there, and the buds have reset.
Oh, hey Joe, what are you doing in there?
Trying to fix my headphones to save some money.
That sure is a strange way to save money. Why don't you try switching to our channel partner, Mint Mobile, instead? They have the largest 5G network in the nation.
Is that the breath company?
No, I mean, it's not minty fresh like that, but they can save you a bunch of money. Their plans start at just $15 a month. How much do you pay?
I pay $80.
Dude, that's insane. It only takes like 15 minutes to switch over. You could save so much money. You could get yourself a new office. You can fix your headphones up right.
Sounds good. I'm gonna switch right now. If you switch too, check out the link in our description.
All right, well, check it out, Joe. Have a good one.